racing just is started. We have Winshow Lady. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Marcus Empire. Perfect Act. Head Honcho. Packet Rocket. Princess Adarna. Elgin. Elgin Demolition Jack. Then comes South Maida. While Kapit Bahay is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Winshow Lady by about 5 lengths. Marcus Empire in second. Head Honcho is racing in third. Demolition Jack comes next. Elgin running by the release Princess Adarna. Then next on Laris Packet Rocket, Self-Made, then followed by Perfect Act, while Kapit Bahay is still racing in less inside the 3 octavo. We have Winshow Lady by about 3 lengths, and coming closer now in second is Head Honcho. Marcus Empire is racing in third. Princess Adarna. Elgin, Demolition Jack comes next. Self-Made, Kapit Bahay, Packet Rocket, while Perfect Act having some problem racing wide, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Winshow Lady, Head Honcho moving up now on the outside, running by the release Princess Adarna with about 100 meters of the race. We have Head Honcho, Winshow Lady, Princess Adarna is by the rail, and finally it's Head Honcho, Winshow Lady, Princess Adarna. Then comes Marcus Empire, Demolition Jack, and Kapit Bahay.